Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data and getting the device ready. First, back up your Google account and important files because removing a lock pin can erase user data. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and that USB debugging is enabled if you still have access. Next, boot into recovery mode using the device's hardware key combo or via ADB with a DB reboot recovery. This gives you the tools to proceed safely and avoid bricking the device. You now attempt the middle steps where most decisions happen. First, try non-destructive options. Use ADB sideload to push an unlock script, check Samsung Find My Mobile for remote unlock, or use Google Smart Lock if previously configured. If those fail, use the recovery menu to perform a factory reset. Choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset and Wipe Cache Partition. Keep in mind why. Resetting removes the PIN, but also clears user data and can trigger. You finish by rebooting and completing setup, but don't stop until accounts are restored. After reboot, sign into the original Google account to pass factory reset protection. This step proves ownership and re-enables the device. If FRP blocks you, contact the OEM or use official account recovery. They may ask for serial, IMEI, or proof of purchase. As a troubleshooting tip, if the device won't accept your credentials, gather purchase documents and contact the manufacturer's support for a verified unlock path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.